distrust and verify, embedded in a larger effort to counter Iran across the region. And how we handle enforcement in these early months will set the tone for years to come. So we have to get it right. There must be consequences. Let's see if I get some water here. You do talk a lot in this campaign. Excuse me, just 1 second here. A lozenge. I have one. Hey, Debbie, you talk.
Well, we're starting the all-in-one campaign.
So please say yes. There must be consequences to, snap sanctions back into place. And we have to make sure that Iran knows that if they try to develop or acquire nuclear weapons, the United States will stop them. We will act decisively. Now, Iran has not had some change of personality. They will test our resolve with actions like their ballistic missile test. And I support it, and I'm glad we are opposing new sanctions in response to hold the Iranian government and its Revolutionary Guard Corps accountable for their support of terrorism, their missile program, human rights violation, detention of Americans, and other illicit behavior like cybercrime. We also need to push for a political solution in Syria, as hard as that may be.